Hey guys, now today we are not gonna play games on this gaming channel. Today I'm gonna unbox something for you, alright? And that is the sound system. Now this sound system has been lying to my bed for quite some time, alright? But today I thought let's just make a video on how to set up the sound system if you have a gaming channel or whatever it might be, alright? So you might be thinking I have done a ton of setups of the sound system and I am enjoying the sound system. Now why do you need to go through this? Well, the reason is, are you doing it right? Alright, so I went through many videos and I am really interested in the sound systems, and I went to many videos, I went to many people who know about sound system, who are in the sound system business, who do sound system setups every day, and I got some information which would help us to go and make the right setup. Alright, so I'm gonna take you right into that, and I'm gonna unbox those speakers and let's just set up the speakers, and I'm gonna explain to you how you need to set up your sound system. Now you might have seen many videos in which you have seen the way you might be explained to how to set up the sound system. Well, I'm gonna explain to you how to set it up, and I am also going to set up the sound system right here, so you have an exact example or exact idea of what you actually need to deal with or what you're actually dealing with. Okay, so these are the speakers that I have. These two are mid-ranges and those two are woofers. Alright, you can see right there. Yep, you can see that. Okay, they are woofers and these are just mid-ranges. Alright, now here's what I'm gonna do. You can see the setup right there. Alright, the monitor, keyboard, the CPU, the amplifiers right there. Okay, I just put that there so that I could connect the speakers for you in this video. Alright, and you can see two speakers there, right? You can see two small speakers there. So we are gonna keep those two as secondary speakers. Alright, and this system that we are putting up, that's gonna be the main system. Alright, now here is what we are going to do. You might have known that when you are setting up a gaming setup, you need a sound like a surround sound system. Alright, so if you're playing a racing game and there is a car coming from right behind you, so even from the speakers the sound comes right from behind you. When there is a car right in front of you, the sound comes right in front of you. Alright, so we are talking about 3D sound systems here. So that's what we are actually going to go through in this video. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put two speakers from front to have that effect and two speakers right behind there. Alright, so the two speakers are gonna be the mid-ranges. First mid-range there, second mid-range there. Alright, then the woofers, one woofer right there, one woofer right there, so that you have the exact well, the person is gonna be right in the middle here, so those two are gonna have an effect right here, and the bass effect is gonna come from behind there and right here as well. So the person sitting here playing games or watching or whatever he's doing, he's gonna get the total effects of the sound. Okay, so let's just go in and first, well, let's unbox these. Let's see, these mid-ranges have really short wires. Alright, and the woofers, as you can see, I have already unhooked one, have long wires, so that's gonna serve our purpose. Alright, well, awesome, huh? So this is what I was talking about. Okay, the two speakers are gonna have an effect right here, and the woofers down there, and they are angled right for this position as well. Okay, now let's just wire this whole system to that amplifier right there. Okay, now that wire is gonna come from there. I'm gonna have a real bad time setting it up, okay, the wires and that stuff. So that wire is gonna come there, that's gonna come directly there, and these wires are gonna have a hard time and then reach the amplifier. Okay, I don't even know whether they're gonna reach there, but let's just go ahead and see. Okay, so we are here right behind the amplifier. Okay, so this is the amplifier that I have, the DX2016 and Super Stereo. Okay, it's a stereo amplifier, so I'm gonna use this one here. So you see back here there are two places, that's the right side here, the right side and the left side. Okay, so the sound coming from these two is going to go to the left speakers, and here is the right speakers. So when the sound comes into this, it divides it in that way, okay, as the way you can see it on the monitor. So if there is any heavy sound on the right side, so it's gonna come out from the right, and if it's from the left, it's gonna come out from the left, or if it is in the middle, then it's gonna divide it equally to both these. All right, so you want to take care of that. But now you have two places here and you have 4 speakers. So what I'm gonna do is the left 2 speakers are gonna be connected to the left side, both the speakers, and the right 2 speakers are gonna be connected to the right side. So this, guys, is going to be awesome. Alright, trust me. I have hooked up all the 4 speakers, and now we're gonna turn on the amplifiers and we're gonna see what the system that we have set up has to give us. This is gonna be really fun. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so with the amplifiers on, whoa, whoa, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Wow. Take a look at this, folks. This is really awesome. Whoa, can you hear that? Well, you know, I'm just gonna show you something. Alright, now I just downloaded this bass test, okay, and you see the speaker has an air output here. Well, can you hear that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Whoa, whoa. Okay, so now this is the actual setup that you have to have, alright, so that the person in the middle has all the speakers coming in use. So see, the angle comes right there, okay, right here, and that as well comes right here. So when everything is set up in that way, you have the best gaming